Raila Odinga is not a reformist. He's a shameless opportunist who has been riding on the blood of Kenyans to create wealth for himself, his clique, and his family. He has been playing us unabashedly like Ronaldinho for eons. With Moi, it was cooperating with Kanu. With Kibaki, it was nusu mkate. With Uhuru, it was handshake for the sake of peace. With Ruto, after youths were murdered and brains scattered on pavements in the streets of Nairobi, it's broad-based government. The Ayatollah of Opoda has held the Luo community ransom. Parliament, on the other hand, is filled by rotten, nefarious, greedy thugs and hooligans in expensive suits who gives budget hundreds of millions to a silly office like that one of Rachel Ruto as if power is sexually transmitted, while many kids out here are going without food or access to education, which is and ought to be a basic right. We do not have a country. We have a cabal of thieves, and we must reclaim back our country from these paragons of mediocrity. For this and more, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you'll have access to more of Unapologetically Aoko.